AI is now inside Excel, but what does it actually do? Today, I'll show you how Copilot, Ideas and Flashfill make Excel faster and easier for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. Welcome back to First Steps in Excel. Okay, so last week we learned how Find and Replace can clean your data in seconds, a small tool that removes mistakes fast and keeps your spreadsheet consistent and easy to work with. We also use spell check to fix typos instantly, making your sheets clearer and more professional. But today we're looking at something big, AI in Excel. You've probably heard of words like Copilot, Ideas and Smart Tools, but what do they actually do? And more importantly, how can you use them as a beginner? So by the end of this session, you'll understand what AI actually means in Excel, which tools you already have, and how they can save you time and remove a lot of guesswork. Let's get started. When Excel mentions AI features, it simply means tools to understand patterns, suggest improvements, and help you work faster. They don't replace learning Excel, you're still in control. AI just helps you speed up what you're already doing. Right, let's start with the most powerful one, Copilot. You can tell it what you want in plain English, and Excel builds it. So some examples you could ask it could be, like you can see on the screen now, create a monthly budget table. You could ask it things like summarize this data, write a formula for total savings, or even clean this list and remove the duplicates. Copilot gives you speed and you can edit everything it creates. Best of both worlds. Next is Ideas, also called Analyze Data. This tool scans your sheet and instantly suggests charts, summaries, and trends. Perfect for beginners because it highlights patterns you might miss, it chooses the right charts for your data, and it even turns raw numbers into insights in seconds. AI also powers tools you've already used, like Flashfill. I personally think this is such a great tool. So you can type an example into a sheet, and Excel completes the pattern automatically. So on the screen you can see where I want to split names. You can do things such as create email addresses, fix formatting, extract initials. No formula is needed, Excel just gets it. Even like using recommended charts. So for example, I can highlight the spreadsheet as you can see on the screen, go to recommended charts, and then Excel can also help you choose the right chart. Recommended charts suggest the visuals that fit your data, no guessing. AI tools also make cleaning data easier too, such as fixing spacing, formatting issues, even spelling errors. As you can see on the screen, I'm using shortcut F7. So, now you know. That's how AI fits inside Excel. From Copilot and Ideas to smart tools like Flashfill to F7. These tools make you work quicker, clearer, and more beginner friendly. Some of these tools use true AI and others are more smart features that work automatically, but together they make Excel much easier for beginners. Let's finish with a quick challenge so you can try these tools for yourself. Let's start by asking Copilot to build something really simple. For example, I'm going to type in this box, create me a monthly expenses tracker in Excel, use the column headers full name, month and expense, and then click enter. Then, depending on what prompts are suggested, type, can you create me a downloadable Excel file? And then open this up. Add some text and values to your tracker to bring it to life. Then highlight your tracker and open the Ideas panel and explore the charts and insights that it suggests. Next, try recommended charts to see what visual Excel thinks works best for your data. And finally, add in say 2 columns and give Flash Fill a try. Type in one clean example and then use shortcut Control E, letting Excel complete the rest for you. You'll see straight away how these tools make Excel faster, easier, and so much less overwhelming. Okay, everybody, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.